Find the interquartile range, IQR, of the data in the dot plot below. Louise's lacrosse scoring each season. So each data point represents the scoring of Louis for each season. So we have 43, 44, 3 seasons. 2 seasons he scored 45, 1 season he scored 47, 2 seasons he scored 48. So I've copied this question to the board, and now let's calculate the IQR, the Inter-Quartile Range. So first I will list the data points. So I have 3 data points of 44. One, 2, 3, 44. I have 45. I have 47, and I have 48. How many data points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 data points. So it means that 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, I made a mistake. So let me just write this again. 43, and I have 3 data points of 44, 44, 44, and 44. And now I have 45 and 45 again, and 47 and 48 and 48. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 data points. Okay, so it means that the median is 45. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 data points to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4 data points to the right. So this is the median, and the middle, or the median of the lower half of the data set is the mean of these 2 data points, because we have an even number of data points on the left half of the data set. So the mean of 44 and 44 is 44, and the mean of the right hand side of the data set is the mean of these 2 data points. Okay, because we need to find the median of 45, 47, 48, and 48. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an even number of data points, so we need to find the mean of these 2. So it's exactly halfway between 47 and 48, which is 47.5. And the IQR, the interquartile range, is the median of the upper half minus the median of the lower half. So we have 47.5 minus 44, which is 2.5. So the IQR in this case is 2.5. No, sorry. It's not 2.5, it's 3.5. Yeah. The distance between 44 and 47 is 3 plus 0.5, so it's 3.5. Okay, 3.5. So let's put this answer and see if it is correct. Good. Okay. Next question. First, I'm copying to the board. Now let's see the question. The following data points represent the number of attendees at each of the dance events hosted by CLO events. Sort the data from least to greatest. Okay, so the lowest number here is 32. Next, we don't have 33, we have 34. Then 35. 35. We don't have 36, we don't have 37, 38, and we have 39. And now we have 40 and 44. 44 and 47. How many data points do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's an even number of data points. So the median will be the mean of these two data points, because we have 3 data points to the left and 3 data points to the right. So the mean of 35 and 39 is 37. We can calculate this. 35 plus 39 divided by 2. 30 plus 30 is 60. 9 plus 5 is 14, so 16 plus 14 over 2 is 74 over 2, which is 70 divided by 2 is 35. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so it's 37. Yes. Okay, so the median is 37. And now we have to find the median of the lower half, and the lower half is this and these 4 data points. So because it's an even number of data points, we need to find the mean of these two. So the mean of 34 and 35 is 34.5, which is exactly halfway between 34 and 35. And the mean of the upper half of the data set is the mean of these two data points, 40 and 44. The mean here is 42. Okay, 40 plus 44 over 2 is 84 divided by 2 gives us 42. So the IQR, the Inter-Quartile Range, is the median of the upper half of the dataset minus the median of the lower half of the dataset. So 42 minus 34.5 is 42 minus 35 is 7, and we need to add 0.5, so it's 7.5. Right? From 35 to 42 is 7, and we need to add another half, so it's 7.5, 7.5. We need to first arrange. Okay, 32, 35, and 35, and 34 here. And 30, 39 goes here. 40, 44, 47, 32, 34, 35, 35, 39, 40, 44, 47. Okay. Next. Find the interquartile range IQR of the data in the dot plot below. Each dot plot represents players at each table in Bev's bingo hall. Okay, how many players? Each table. So one table had 0 players, one table had 2 players, 3 tables had 3 players, one table had 4 players, one table had 5 players, one table had 7 players. Okay, so let me write this data. So we have one table with 0 players, 2 tables with 1 player, 3 tables with 3 players. Okay, one table with 4 players, one table with 5 players, and one table with 7 players. How many data points do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the median here is this data point because it has 4 data points to the left and 4 data points to the right. So the median of the lower half is the mean of the 2 data points, which is 1, and the mean here is the mean between these 2 data points because this is the upper half. So the mean here is 4.5. So the IQR, the Inter-Quartile Range, is the median of the upper half, which is 4.5, minus the median of the lower half, which is 1. So 4.5 minus 1 is 3.5. The distance between 1 and 4 is 3 plus 0.5, so we have 3.5 as the IQR. Okay, the following data points represent the number of remote controllers each student in Tria's video game club owns. Okay, so first we need to sort the data from least to greatest. So we have 0 and another 0 and another 0, then 1, 2. We don't have 3, we have another 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, and then 8, and 10. Okay, how many data points do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's an odd number of data points, so it means that we will have 5, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the median. So the median has 5 data points to the left and 5 data points to the right. And now we have to find the median of the lower half, which is this data point, 0, because it has 2 data points to the left and 2 data points to the right, and the median of the upper half is this one here. This is the median, 7. The median of the upper half, and this is the median of the lower half. So the median of the upper half minus the median of the lower half is the IQR, which is 7 minus 0, which is 7. So the answer is 7. So let's arrange the data from lowest to greatest. So we have the zeros, and then we have the 1, and the 2s, and we have 4 here, and 5, and 7, and 8, and 10. And the IQR is 7. Good. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I will do this practice reading box plots. I'll see you in the next video.